Strength of acids and bases on their dissociation constant. That means, how can you explain the strength of an acid based on the dissociation constant? Let us take the acid first. The strength of an acid depends upon its tendency to lose H plus ions or protons in the solution. Therefore, quantitatively, the strength of an acid may be defined as the concentration of H3O plus ions or H plus ions in its aqueous solution at a particular temperature. Then, the dissociation of an acid having a general formula H capital, can be written as follows: Ha plus water, reversible arrow, H3O plus A minus. According to the law of mass action and law of equilibrium, write the equilibrium constant K, which is equal to concentration of hydronium ion into concentration of A minus ion divided by concentration of water into concentration of Ha, equation number 1. We already know that equilibrium constant into water can be represented as Ka, that is a dissociation constant of an acid. You can simplify the above equation by putting the value Ka. Ka is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha, equation number 2. Based on that, we can explain the strength of acids based on this constant, dissociation constant of acid. From the equation 2, it is clear that concentration of hydronium ion depends on the value of the dissociation constant or ionization constant Ka of the acid. The value of Ka for a particular acid can be regarded as a quantitative measure of its strength. An acid with a higher value of Ka is a stronger acid. One of the most important conclusion, and even for the fill in the blank question, this sentence is very important. That means an acid is a strong acid when it possesses a higher value of a dissociation constant of acid. Similarly, the strength of the base depends on the tendency to gain protons. Therefore, the strength of a base can also be quantitatively measured by the dissociation constant or ionization constant Kb. For example, let us consider the following reaction with a base. B gains a proton from water. B represents a base. B plus water gives BH plus OH minus. According to the law of mass action and the law of chemical equilibrium, equilibrium constant K is equal to concentration of BH plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of B into concentration of water. We know that K into water is another constant. Here in this case, since we are using a base Kb, K into water is equal to Kb. Therefore, Kb is equal to, replacing the equilibrium constant by Kb. Kb is equal to concentration of BH plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of B. Now, based on this Kb, how will you explain the strength of bases? The higher the value of Kb, greater the strength of the base. Fill in the blank question can be asked, and this is the basic for determining the strength of a base. Higher the value of Kb, greater the strength of base. Now, based on the Ostwald's dilution law or Ostwald's equation, two assignments are given here. Please try to do these assignments without any help and see that whether you are getting the same answer in the textbook. After doing the assignment, you can refer the textbook and see whether your answer is correct.